I think it was last night, they say to me, when you're not on the stage, they say to me, are you serious in private life? You know, and I say, no, they do, they ask me that, am I serious in private life? This lady came to me, she said, are you serious in private life? You know, when I'm off. And I said to her, yes, I am. You know, because I told her, because I had a long chat with her, because I read a lot of serious books. I do, I do. I read a lot of serious books because I think you can take a joke too far, you know what I mean?
Oh, yes.
A joke is a joke. Look at that, I struck over.
Do you know how many tricks you do in your cabaret that you're working in at the moment?
Well, it's quite a few. Would you like to see it?
Yeah, I'd love to.
Oh, I'll show you. Sure. I'm going to stand up for this, all right? And I've got to put the fez on, so it gives me atmosphere. All right. Now, I want you to help me with this. Look, see that? It's a cup and a ball. Okay?
Okay.
I'll put it in there, look. Now, where would you say it is? In the pocket or under the cup?
In your pocket?
No, we'll start again. There it is there. Look, I do it again. Look, boom, 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 boom. Now, where would you say it now? Under the cup or in the pocket?
Under your cup.
Under the cup. No, I think you made a mistake this time. There it is there. Look.
In your pocket.
Yeah. No, look. Where is it now?
In your pocket.
No, where is it now?
On top of the cup.
On top. Boom. Look at that. Look, I'll get it there, look. Look. Just right through. I told you what I'd do this time. Is that under the cup, is it? There it is.
Under the cup.
Right? On top of the cup. Is that right?
Yes.
Now, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll do it this time invisible. I'll put it in there, take it through, hold it, and throw it towards the cup. Just throw it towards the cup. Boom! What do you think of that? Do you like
Wonderful.
That? No, do you like that?
Yes, I do.
What do you think of that? Do you like that? Do you like that?
I don't believe what I'm seeing.
How's that? Do you like that?
A round of applause.
Oh,
wonderful.
Thank you very much. Put a teeth there. Just there. Oh. That was hurting me, I tell you. Oh dear. Okay.